Okay, so let's say I have 8.765. I want to multiply by 1,000. Okay, so let me put it on the place value chart. I have 8.765. Okay, so 5,000s I multiply by 1,000, I get 5,000 thousands. Okay, so 5,000 thousands is actually equals to 5 ones. Okay, so 600s I multiply by 1,000, I have 6,000 hundreds. Okay, so 6,000 hundreds is actually equals to 6 tens. Okay, and 7 tens I multiply by 1,000, I have 7,000 tens. 7,000 tens is actually equals to 700s. And the last one is easy. I have 8 ones, I multiply by 1,000. Of course, I have 8,000. Okay, so can you see that? So 8.765 I multiply by 1,000, I actually get 8,765. Okay, and with that I actually shift the decimal point 3 place value to the right. Okay, so with that same thing, let's consolidate. So let's say I have 0.002 I multiply by 1,000. Okay, I shift the decimal point 3 place values to the right. Okay, I get 2. Okay, and if I have 5.8, okay, I multiply by 1,000. Okay, I shift my decimal point 3 place value to the right. Okay, I get 5,800. Okay, and the last one was the example that I showed on the place value chart. So 8.765 I multiply by 1,000. Okay, I shift the decimal point 3 place values to the right. Okay, I get 8,765. Okay, can? So let's consolidate everything. So what happens when I multiply a decimal by 10, by 100, and by 1,000? Okay, so let me show you an example. So let's say I have 62.14. Okay, so when I multiply by 10, okay, so what happens is 10 has a 0, so I shift 1 place value to the right. Okay, and I will get 621.4. Okay, so the same decimal 62.14, if I'm going to multiply by 100. Okay, so same thing, how do you remember it? 100 has 2 zeros, so I'm going to shift, okay, the decimal point 2 place values to the right. Okay, I get 6,214. Okay, and last one, when I use the same decimal, I multiply by 1,000. Okay, so 1,000, how do you remember, has 3 zeros. Okay, I shift the decimal point. Okay, 3 place values to the right. Okay, I will get 62,140. Okay, so remember when the decimal point reach the last digit, okay, there's no more place value there, you have to add a 0, okay, to for the missing place value there. Okay, and that's all I have to teach today. So if you are not sure, please rewatch the video, and don't forget to put down notes, okay, in your maths notebook. Okay, so please follow up with the assignment. Okay.